So now students, I am going to the exercise, chapter 14, exercise 14.4. And here the question number 1 is given that you have to draw any line segment AB and mark any point M on it, and through the point M, draw a perpendicular to AB. So what we have to do, first of all we have to draw one line segment, say AB. So this is one line segment AB, okay. Now in step 2, you have to take any point M. So you have to mark any point M on it. So you have to mark point M anywhere between the A and B, that is on your choice, and after that through point M, draw a perpendicular to AB. So how to draw perpendicular? Now you have to take compass and you have to take some distance less than the AB. Less than the AB, you have to take some distance. Now you have to put your compass point here, and then you have to draw one semicircle. That this semicircle is intersecting the line AB at point C and D. Now you have to take little more distance, more than CD. So you have to take distance in your compass. Now you have to place compass point here and make one arc. And same, by the same distance you have to put your compass here and mark one point. And now you have to join this intersecting point to the M. So this will be the perpendicular that is drawn to the AB. So this is the perpendicular to AB from the point M. I am again repeating the steps. First of all, you have to draw one line segment AB. Then you have to choose a point M on it. Then take M as a point, and you have to take some distance in your compass. Then you have to make this arc which is intersecting at C and D. Now you have to take some more distance and now mark two arcs from the C and D. They are intersecting each other at point O. Suppose that they are intersecting at point O. So by this you have to join the MO. So here MO perpendicular to the AB. Line segment MO will be the perpendicular to the AB, and this is the symbol of perpendicular. This symbol is perpendicular. Suppose that here MO is perpendicular to AB, so we will write down MO perpendicular to AB. So line segment MO perpendicular to the AB. Now going to the question number 2. Here in the question number 2, again the similar question is given, but the one thing is different here. Draw any line segment PQ. So first of all you have to draw any line segment PQ. This is the line segment PQ. Now question is saying that take any point R that is not on it. So you have to take a point R outside of the line segment PQ. Now through R, draw a perpendicular to the PQ. But here one condition is given in the question that you have to use the ruler and set square. So how you are going to manage this? You have to draw the line segment by using the ruler and set square. So set square means this. In your geometry box, this type one set square is given. So you have to place your set square like that. This point must be here, and your set square's arm, that perpendicular arms must be here. So by this, now you have to draw a line. So that will be the perpendicular to the PQ and also passing through the point R. That is outside of the PQ. Okay, this is the solution of the question number 2. Now going to the question number 3. Here the question number 3 is saying that draw a line L. So first of all I am going to draw the line L. That is the line L. Now question is saying that and a point X on it. So you have to take one point X on it. Okay, take it. Now question is saying that draw a line segment XY perpendicular to L. So first of all we have to draw one line segment that is perpendicular to the L. So that means from here I am taking this point little bit here. So now what we have to do, same process whatever we have done in the question number 1. So first of all we have to take some distance and mark one arc. So it will be the, suppose that AB. These are the point AB. Now we have to choose this point, make one arc. From this point make one arc. Then this will be the perpendicular to the, this is the perpendicular line to the R. I am going to draw this figure again and telling you the steps of working. First of all, you have to draw one line segment, say L. Now you have to choose one point X, and now you have to take this one as point, and you have to make one arc. Now from this point A, this point B, now you have to make one arc, and from here, so these are the two arcs that are joining. So this will be the perpendicular to the X, and question is saying that you have to take one point Y. So this will be the Y. So here XY is perpendicular to the line L. So here we can say that XY is perpendicular to L. Now question again saying that draw a line segment XY perpendicular to the XY to Y. So that is the solution here. Thank you.